Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to reset your Subway account password. Open the website subway.com, then click on the profile icon. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see another profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Now, you will see an option for Customer Profile. Click on Customer Profile. Under Customer Profile, you will see an option for Reset My Password. Click on Reset My Password. Then a pop-up message will appear saying that you will be redirected to another site. To continue, click on the Yes button. Now, enter your email address on the field provided. After entering, click on Next. A code will be sent to the email you've provided. Once received, enter it. Then click on Next. On the first field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then enter it again on the second field to confirm. After entering all the required information, click on Set Password. That's how you reset your Subway account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.